Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. João here. So today we are going to learn how we can create AI agents by using Python. Okay, so this will be a playlist. Okay, will be a collection of videos about how we can create AI agents by using Python. Okay, so if you are someone who are a beginner, okay, who want to learn how you can create a AI agent, okay, by using Python, so this tutorial will be especially for you. And if you are someone who already know how to create AI agent by using Python, okay, but you never know what's really going on, okay, how to extract it, how to start, okay, so this tutorial also will be for you. So for sure that till now you have seen a lot of tutorials and a lot of theory about what is AI agent, something like that, okay, so that's why in this tutorial I'm going to focus more on practical stuff, okay. So we'll start creating the things from the scratch itself, okay. We'll start from the basics, then we'll start to make it a little more complex, okay, like adding more functionality to our agents, okay. So everything we'll do only by using Python. So then after some time we'll be using some frameworks also that are good to use, okay, that we can use, okay, to create like a AI agent, okay, by using a lot of models, okay, which are already built, okay. So this is how we are going to do this tutorial, okay. So we'll start from the basic, from the beginner level, so then we'll start adding more complexity so that you can really understand how to create AI agent with Python, okay. So first, okay, it's very good to know what is AI agent, okay. For sure till now you know what is AI agent, so that's why I try to keep this part a little short, okay, so that you cannot get bored. That's my goal, okay. So what is AI agent? Okay, so AI agent, okay, as we know, okay, so they are practically revolutioning, okay, the technology nowadays, okay. So nowadays if you open YouTube, so you'll be see only people talk about what is AI agent, blah 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 blah, a lot of stuff like related to that. So that's why, okay, so I just gave a very short definition, which is, okay, so AI agents practically, okay, they are autonomous system that perceive, okay, that can make decision in their own, okay, and they can perform actions without human interaction, okay, intervention. So it's like, you see, it's like something that you can say like a normal chatbot, okay. A normal chatbot usually is like, it's just a chat, okay, that you will automate some stuff. Now do this, do this, but if you compare AI agent with a normal chatbot, okay, so AI agents, they do more than just answering question, okay. So AI agent, they can also search for stuffs on internet, okay, and they can also learn from those things that they will search, okay, and they can also learn from the mistake, okay, or from the error from the past conversation, something like that, okay. So they are like a little baby, okay, who keep growing as much you keep giving more information, okay. So that is the difference between an AI agent and normal chatbot, okay. So normal chatbot is something that you will automate by doing just specific things, okay, but AI agent, they can grow with time, okay, with more information that it gets, it can grow, it can correct itself by mistakes, something like that, okay. So that is like just a little definition about the AI agent, okay. So they are autonomous system that can perceive, that can make decision, and can perform actions without human intervention, okay. So because they keep learning with time. But a normal chatbot, he only does the things that he was automated do, only that thing, okay. We can do that also with AI agents, but AI agent, it has a memory, okay. It has like something that help him to grow by himself, okay. That is like a small difference between AI agent and normal chatbots. AI agents, okay, unlike those traditional AI agents, okay, they are AI agents, they are more proactive, they are more adaptive, and they are more multifunctional, okay. So they are proactive because they initiate action on their own, as I said before, okay. They can make a decision by themselves, okay. And they are adaptive because they learn and they adjust their behavior, okay, according to the information that they will get from the past and the actual information, okay. It can learn and it can adjust its behavior by himself, okay, by its own. And is multifunctional because we can integrate it with a lot of APIs and a lot of database, okay. So that this way it can get more information, so that it can learn more and it can grow more by itself, okay. So that is what AI agents are, okay, and what they can do. So example, for example, a chatbot that in addition to answer questions, it can schedule meeting and it can search for information in real time and make a decision by itself, okay. So this is a kind of example of one AI agent. So there are a lot of application in real world for AI agents, okay. So for sure, also in this tutorial we are going to make also one or maybe three projects, real world project, okay. Like we will build AI agents by using Python, okay. We'll try to use less frameworks, okay. We'll use more Python, okay, with a lot of APIs, so that you can learn, okay, so that you can learn really or better properly how to create AI agent with Python, okay. So some real world example can be, for example, custom service, okay. It can automate support, okay. For example, ADA, okay, is a good example. Healthcare, okay, it can assist diagnostic, okay, a lot of sickness or something like that, okay. For example, Glass Health, okay, is like an app, okay, which is AI agent. It can give you advice from finance, okay, like automating your analytics and trading bots, okay. So for example, nowadays there are a lot of trading bots, okay, which are good, but just imagine if you create an AI agent for trading bots, so it can be something really cool, okay. So for education also, you can have a personalized tutor, okay, like to teach you. For example, Khan Academy is very well known, many people know it, okay. Even plus ChatGPT, okay, is also AI agent, we can say that, okay, ChatGPT 4. And for home automation, okay, for example, a lot of IoT stuffs, okay, for management, okay. For example, Amazon Azure, okay, is an example for a real world about the AI agents. So there are a lot of tools that we can use, or people nowadays use, to create AI agents, okay. For example, the main ones that people have been using nowadays, okay. For example, there we have a LongChain, okay. We have OpenAI API, okay. Even AutoGPT and the Hugging Face, okay. So as I said, okay, in the beginning, okay, we are not going to use these ones in the beginning. See, I'm saying in the beginning we not use this one because I want you guys to learn how you can create it by using pure Python, okay, like from the scratch. Then after some time, after some point, okay, when you learn the basics, we'll start using those guys, okay, like for example LongChain, AutoGPT, maybe even Hugging Face, okay. But in the beginning we'll use only Python with OpenAI API, okay. So this is how this tutorial will be, okay. Let's focus first in the beginning stuff, okay, so that you can really understand, because it is something like, okay, if you understand the basic of something, you can create amazing stuff, okay. But if you just jump on it, sorry bro, you'll be like a little lost about the thing, okay, about how to create the stuff, okay. So that's why we focus more in practice. We'll first use OpenAI API and we in combination with Python, so that we can create our AI agents, okay. So after OpenAI, we'll jump into LongChain, then we'll go to AutoGPT, and we'll try also Hugging Face, okay, if we get time. So this is how the tutorial will go. So why this is important to learn nowadays about AI agents? So there is a one estimative, like maybe in 2026, okay, 50% of companies will be using AI agents, okay. They will be adopting AI agent for automation, okay. So that's why it's very good if you start right now to understand the stuff, how you can build AI agents, okay, so that you can, okay, you can have a chance also, okay. Especially nowadays, if you are learning Python, okay, you must know how you can create AI agents, okay. So AI agents is the kind of project that have to go to your profile also, so that you can have more chances also. So as I said, okay, so this tutorial will be more focused on practice than a lot of theory, okay. But for sure, okay, practice and theory, they work together, so we'll be try to combine both of things together, so okay, so that you can understand how you can create AI agent with Python, okay. So in the next video, we are going directly to start or better to set up our environment. So subscribe to the channel, okay, give a like to this video, and see you in the next video, okay, where we are going to start set up everything, okay. Bye.